If you're searching for the best backup camera in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're driving a compact car, a large truck, or an RV, having a reliable backup camera is essential for safer reversing and parking. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 backup cameras of 2025, covering key features, pros, and what makes each model stand out. All product links are in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 1, Garmin BC40 wireless backup camera. Starting strong at number 1, we've got the Garmin BC40 wireless backup camera. This wireless wonder pairs seamlessly with Garmin's Wi-Fi enabled navigation systems, offering crystal clear video transmission right to your GPS screen. Easy snap-on installation to your license plate. Voice command support to view the camera, weatherproof with an IPX7 rating, transmits up to 25 feet for wide viewing angles. And here's the kicker. It runs on 2 AA lithium batteries and lasts up to 3 months. If you already use a Garmin GPS, this camera is a no-brainer. Number 2, wireless backup camera for trucks. At number 2, we have a heavy-duty choice, perfect for trucks, RVs, and SUVs. This wireless backup camera packs high-tech features like real-time signal with zero lag or interference. Quick 25-minute DIY install, no drilling, no tools. Dual channel support, so you can add a second camera, 5-inch 1080p HD display with super night vision. With an IP69K waterproof rating, this unit is built to handle extreme weather and high-pressure conditions. From rainy nights to dusty trails, visibility remains crystal clear. Number 3, Kulu backup camera plug and play. Third on the list is for all you DIY lovers, the Kulu plug and play backup camera. It lives up to its name with a super simple setup. Just plug it into your cigarette lighter or USB 15-minute installation, 2 steps and you're good to go. Delivers HD 1080p real-time video with no signal delay. Automatic night vision with 6 LEDs. It even lets you adjust the parking line's brightness and image flip to your exact needs. Perfect for cars, vans, trailers, and more. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime tech support. Number 4, Furrion Vision S, wireless backup system. In 4th place, we have the Furrion Vision S, a top-tier pick for RV owners and long-haul drivers. Here's why it's one of the most reliable systems out there. Long-range wireless connection up to 492 feet in open space. High-resolution night vision camera with IR filters. Anti-glare monitor supports up to 4 cameras for full coverage. Works as a parking and security camera with motion sensors and built-in audio. If your RV is already prepped for Vision S, installation is a breeze. Even if not, it's worth the setup for this kind of all-around safety. Number 5, eRapta ERT01 backup camera. Wrapping up the list at number 5 is the eRapta ERT01, a budget-friendly wired backup camera that doesn't compromise on quality. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles, old or new. Clear video through 6 glass lenses and 10 built-in LED lights. Excellent night vision and color reproduction, made with IP69K, waterproof metal housing for durability, comes with dual brackets for flexible mounting options. It uses a standard RCA cable connection, so it's a reliable, no-fuss option if you want something affordable yet effective. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 backup cameras for cars in 2025. From rugged truck cams to high-tech wireless options, there's a perfect solution for every vehicle and every budget. All product links are in the description below. Go check them out. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Have questions or want to share your experience with backup cameras? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and reverse smarter.